My partner, and of course me.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, you're not. Oh. And we're going up to some gangbangers.
Hey, 2 guns, 1 friend. Also
and I'm getting this gun, not that gun. Right here.
And we will be
Look at that.
They have to go home.
Gosh dang it!
Yeah, we can make a video of us taking each other.
All right. Oh shoot! So I have some glasses on my face. What?
They don't have to go home.
Okay, good.
Alright, false alarm. They don't have to go home.
Yeah, false alarm.
3, 2, 1, move!
Alright, I'm gonna try to get it in the sight. Shoot. I know! I'm hit! I need a mechanic.
Medcac, I gave you one.
Okay. Now, I have my gun with me. And going up. What you do?
Alright, pause your video. Make it where it's paused.